If you have been checking my TikTok, you'll know that my hair is as crazy as my personality. So much so that this hair care company sent me a bunch of their products to turn me from Hokkien Abu to Hokkien Jobu. But,
Are they good?
watch until the end to find out, because I'll be testing it out on one side of my hair so that you guys can compare. First, is shampoo lor. What, if you think Lim Pei gonna show myself naked and showering in bathroom, slow wait lah. This is a kid-friendly video, okay? After washing the shampoo off, apply the hair mask while wet. Well, not me wet, my hair wet. I hope this can reduce all the crazy frizz. Holy macaroni! Because last time, my hairdresser suggested me to do keratin treatment. No way, it's so expensive and doesn't last long. This hair mask definitely looks like a better option. I hope it works. I'll be leaving this hair mask for 5 to 7 minutes before washing it off, because that's what the label says. The last one, they say to apply the serum, and apparently you can apply it to damp or dry hair. Personally, I love the smell because it's very calming. Okay, now look at the result.
Selena Gomez, Mona Fendi. Like and share this video to get free. Yes, free travel kit worth over 15 ringgit.